Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Giveaway channel. In this video, we are going to see about interview of automation tester or any manual tester. For example, experienced people interview. So especially, I'm going to talk about the people who are going to put a fake experience. So these days, I have been taking few interviews. Like I can see out of 10 people, 5 people are putting fake experience and attending the interviews. Also, the resume they have written is good. The good thing is like their resume got shortlisting, so that's how they are creating the resume. So other people actually learn from them. And so what I want to say is for the candidates. For example, if you are able to learn something in 6 months, one will have to work for 3 years. So if you are putting 3 years or 5 years experience, fake experience, or 3 years fake experience, but you are just trying to learn that in a 6 month or 3 month, you have put 3 years experience. So if you are that much capable, actually you can directly tell to the recruiter even after a shortlisting. So they will understand actually. So because you have big career break, so you have learned a lot, you have done the sample project, there is a GitHub, so you can tell. If it depends on the recruiter also. So I'll just come to recruiter part later. So you you are able to do a 3 years work even if you don't have experience. So you can learn that much fast. So even if you are joining the company with that experience, you can really do means fine. But there are some people, they doesn't have any skills or doesn't have anything. Even interview also they faked it. There are everywhere it's happening, right? So interview also they faked it, but when they join they'll face a problem, and damn sure they will be leaving a company soon also. Once the company found out, or even they cannot work, right, they cannot deliver, so soon company also will get to know. So but this is not about fake interview, it's just a fake experience, and the candidate is ready to face the questions of 3 years experience, but it actually doesn't have a experience. So for that only there is some confidence required. Okay, so actually I'm not encouraging a fake experience, putting a fake experience. It's all because of the guidance which you got. Maybe after 3 years you may be asked someone, engineer, or you have asked some training institute. I have 3 years gap, I have completed my degree and tried to do something, I went to teaching, but now I want to go to IT field. So the guy or the training center itself suggested, okay, you can put the 3 years of experience and you can learn well and do some real time project from our training center. So they will arrange every document by getting some money. And you are also putting lot of hard work and learned it. So somehow you got into a interview. Maybe the first interview failed, second interview failed, so many interviews you are trying to attend, but one you got it. Even after joining you will be scared, very scared actually. Because it's not going to end there itself. Once you join, even after join, whenever the people asked for a document for any auditing process, not for your verification, company auditing process, if they need any document, you will get scared, you cannot work properly. Even if you have a skills, you cannot work properly. So there are a lot of problem in putting a fake experience, guys. So always try to reveal in some point whatever happens, because it will relieve you and you can work well, whatever skills you have. Even when you are in interview, if interviews asked anything related to that, if you have really experience like something like that, if you are able to tell, please tell them. So I have just 3 6 months of training experience, I have done this many projects, but I can do well. If the recruiter is convinced with your questions, like with your answers, with your performance of interview, damn sure they will give a chance. If they are kind of guy. So if they are very process oriented, they will not, because there are some companies, they have to like they will have a few checklists actually, they cannot hire you. But startup and few companies, they will hire for sure. So one more thing, for a recruiter, if the guy, this is for actually a recruiter like who was taking an interview, if anyone watching, this is actually important, because if the guy is very confident of sitting in front of you with just 6 months of training experience, and he's saying 3 years of experience in the resume or documents, he's really have a confident, right? So if he is ready to say, and if he is ready to telling you that he has put fake experience because of the training center or some reasons, if you are really worth to take, please consider him for the 1 year or 2 year experience profile, because the salary also matter, right? Maybe the guy putting 5 years experience and asking for xx lakhs, maybe 10 lakhs, something like that. You can directly say, as you have fake experience, maybe I can give a salary of 1 year experience people, or fresher, I will take you as a fresher because you have a good knowledge. Are you okay? In these cases, I think people, the candidate also should agree, because they already got to know your fake experience and they are ready to give a freshers opening. So if that is the case, I'm damn sure under like 99% of candidate will agree for this. But recruiter mindset has to be changed. It's not, I'm not saying it's not like it's not it's right for putting a fake experience, but what to do, they went somewhere, like they tried some other technology, and they have asked a few friends, somehow they want to try to enter into the IT, they put lot of effort, right? So the both the way, putting a fake experience is wrong for sure, but you have to like you have to come out from that fear, because once you put a fake experience, join one company, till you come out of the company, you will get scared, you will have fear. So when they will find, when they will get caught, so what will happen, will they block my profile, blah blah, so many things will happen, right? So the first company itself try to solve, and maybe you put a fake experience and coming like joining a second company, just put a experience of last real company only, don't add that fake experience also. Maybe if there are big process company, if they try to do a background check of last three companies, you will get screwed. Okay, so these are the problems with the fake experience, guys. So be careful also. uh, Try not to put fake experience. Thank you.